This is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Quick Connect that I just installed here in the garage. And I got this at Habitat today for $15. And, you know, it's a cheap Hampton Bay. Got a small motor for a 52-inch fan. You know, the blades could be steeper pitched, but wouldn't do much good anyway because of the small motor. So, but it's okay for a garage fan because I don't have to worry about it, you know, warping or whatever. It's just a cheap fan. You know, it's got kind of contemporary looking stuff there. I personally, I'm not a big fan of the way it looks, but it's certainly better than other things that are out there. And I'll turn it on now. It's got a startup hum to it, but when it gets running, it's actually really quiet. Does wobble. It wobbled more when I first put it up, and I straightened the blades a bit. Obviously not perfect, but whatever. I can live with that small amount of wobble. That's medium, by the way, as I'm sure you knew. And it moves an okay amount of air. Not a large amount, but good enough. I just want to keep it circulated over here by the door because my bedroom's right in there. See, there's my bedroom. You can see it's really close. So I want to keep it circulated here so when people come in and out of here, it doesn't make it as hot. And that door is only hollow core, so, you know, it can be improved upon. We'll eventually replace it with a solid one. Eventually. Not as soon as I'd like, but eventually. And this is the spin down, obviously. And let me show you how these blades connect here. Pardon this. Just a minute while I set up the ladder. Okay, here we go. Here's the top of the motor, by the way. We've got a little bell thingy there that covers that. I think that's kind of nice. We got the brackets. They just slide in, as you can see. And there's a little latch over there that holds them in. The blades are kind of loose, but they're not going anywhere. So, you know. Interesting, not my preferred method of blade holding, but it apparently works. Anyway, there's that Hampton Bay Quick Connect. I know it's a pile of shit. You don't need to tell me in my comments. And hope you enjoyed.